Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound notification. Firstly, download this app and open it. Next, click plus and choose mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Set percentage for full battery and for low battery. Choose between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Charge me.
Name it and give it description. Then save. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.